Whether you're looking for inspiration for your self-build, checking out the latest accessories, or choosing your next van, the Motorhome and Caravan show at the NEC from the 18th to the 23rd of October is a great place to check out everything all under one roof, and we've got 2 pairs of tickets to give away. We'll be at the show on Saturday the 22nd, and with over 350 exhibitors spread across 11 halls, we're looking forward to checking out what new innovations manufacturers have come up with, like the Heimer Venture with its inflatable pop top, and with accessories galore. From cooking to awnings, e-bikes to security solutions, there really will be something for everyone. We'll share our highlights from our day at the show and a rundown of the latest vehicles, innovations, accessories and technology in a future video. But there really is nothing like seeing it firsthand. Although tickets are only £12 for adults and free for kids, if you want the chance to grab yourself 2 free tickets, all you have to do is give this video a like and pop in the comments what you would most like to see at the show by 11:59 p.m. on Tuesday the 11th of October 2022. We'll pick 2 commenters at random who will each get a pair of tickets. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell to be sure you'll see our reply to let the winners know on Wednesday the 12th of October. You can find full terms of this giveaway in the video description. Good luck! Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like.